Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. S to the power of 3 we put into s squared and s. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we have s squared in here. That means I will put number 1 go to the left and we divide both sides by negative number 2 over 3. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have 2s, so we have negative number 4 over 3s ds. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by u. S we change by this one. S squared ds. Oh, sorry. This one, because this is about for s squared. S ds we change by negative du. So negative with negative we simplify. And then I will put this one go outside. So this one we have 3 over 2. So u divided by u, we have number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have u. The integration of 1 over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.